feel me? Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel me. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got me. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. We'll see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret.
Orain, look at these balls. Oh, I like it. It's a ceramic bowl, no?
Plastic.
Plastic?
Nice.
You nice. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
A square bowl. We know we're ramming people now. Yeah, we get two. One that color and this. Oh, this is a nice color too. Which color you want?
Mommy know the one.
She ever be them? I don't want them things here. The green one, isn't the green one nicer than the blue? Well, you like the blue? You're on vacation, honey. A beer sale them at Azan. How was that, mommy? How was that? Interesting.
Oh, good vibes.
I'm drinking in my good vibes.
Alright. Them look nice. Peculiar dish.
What do you do with the American Orain? What are you serving at them?
I don't know. Can say whatever you want in there. You can put gravy, a big box. Somebody you can put soup in there. Use it like a soup thing. Well hot.
Want to put some glass on it?
Oh, and buy this to put fish in. But Shalika said we are going to keep him. Because we don't have space for him. Oh, there. Like that. Gotta look for buy storage for your wig them. This one.
You prefer this one?
Yeah. Yeah, the pattern on that look nice, but
You feel like this one is just better.
that one, yeah.
No, we'll do it already. We receive my already. So go look at this in my body there.
Alright guys, so the appliance place where we originally dug up.
It's a bus.
Yeah, as you can say, it's a bus in the open Saturday, Sunday. So we have to try and go there at the end of the week. We don't know how the hell will work out yet, but it will work.
Apparently they sell like the furniture appliances cheaper than probably even places at downtown. That's what somebody said.
Yeah.
That's where they come and buy. So we're trying ourselves as well because we want to get a fan and a television. So we're trying to go there. I wanted to get at least the price this week. So by next week when we get me and the things, then we can say it's a real thing. We'll go through and get everything.
Yeah.
But
because them supposed to be cheap. So
we wanted a full set because Azan did have some cheap prices, as you guys would have seen.
Yeah.
But the TV sizes, which is more than
next stop. Alright people, this is our next stop, the Pine Man. We are advertising business. We don't come out. Right for I-95, come get in the Pine. Oh, why me move the camera like that, I don't know. Me not coming out. Me staying here. Anyways people, the Pine Man. Shadika, alright, that's how we buy Pine.
Come on, you want to show off buy Pine. If I buy some good.
I will burn in the car in here, me I sit down. So Shadika then. Go and buy Pine. See, like she bad, I come try to draw me out of car. You're no bad. You no bad. Last one, we buy did nice.
All the cheese Pine? How are you going for this? The shortage man, other Pine them.
Go boy, Pine, all the cheese Pine.
It's not take so long. This is all that we got. I look for Alright, so supermarket is almost finished. Alright guys, so I just got some refill for like hand soap and like some refills. Orain has the other gallon bottle and my mother is buying, what you call that? Yeah, see there.
What is it? Hand soap?
Yeah, that's hand soap, antibacterial hand soap. So I got those refills. My mother, she catch some bulk thing with the car. So that we had the pan. And we stopped at the wholesale as well. And we got, what the fish there? We got sliced fish. Yeah, king sliced fish. And what else we stop and get there? So Orain buy one little piece of juice.
It tastes good without the corruption.
Or beer, you don't know why they must put so much things in the juice. You know, you want to look at water, look at sugar, and then the fruit. You see benzoate, soy, citric, all them. They don't want back different things. I understand it's for chef life, but not me.
Yes, people. So we reach home.
Not yet.
We reach. Anyway. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Shadika can catch me next Saturday. Thank you for watching this vlog. We appreciate you guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.
Oh, you stopped at the market. Yo, we made a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we stopped at the market. Skilling and them so. Fear and them so there. So as I was saying, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Watch out some ads, you know. Do the right thing. If you're new, make sure you subscribe again. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you like the content. Leave some requests in the comment section.
Yeah.
We will do them, you know. Thank you. We will see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.